Fry's Electronics, headquartered in Silicon Valley, was an American big box store chain. Fry's retailed software, consumer electronics, household appliances, cosmetics, tools, toys, accessories, magazines, technical books, and computer hardware. Fry's had in-store computer repair and custom computer building services. Starting with one store located in Sunnyvale, California, the chain operated 34 stores in 9 states by 2019, and as of January 2021 operated 28 stores. On February 24, 2021, Fry's announced closure of all remaining stores, effective immediately as a result of changes in the retail industry and the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. In 1972, Charles Fry sold the Fry's supermarkets chain based in California for US $14 million to Dillon's. He gave a portion of the proceeds, approximately $1 million, to each of his sons, John W. Randolph and David, none of whom had much interest in grocery store retailing. Instead, on May 17, 1985, they joined together with a fourth partner, John's former girlfriend Catherine Calder, to open the first Fry's Electronics store at a 20,000 sq ft site in Sunnyvale, California. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.